So I was looking at the latest trend for urban living, right? So that pretty much means it's going to be brand new and it's going to be modern, right? But that also means it's going to be fairly expensive. And that's when I realized that this property, it's probably going to be one of the best buys in the market right now, especially because of its features and because of where it is. So if that piques your interest, stay tuned because you're going to enjoy this one. We've got a brand new townhouse for you here and it's in Quezon City. So this is actually a public road but it's still nice and quiet. You still have lots of trees. Meron lang syempre mga public transport like tricycles going by, like ito may dadaan na. Sige lang po. And, but that's fine because you are near schools and it makes it easier for you to go out of this particular area since meron nga mga tricycle. Anyhow, that being said, you do have an automated gate that's pag nakasarado to, sarado talaga siya. And then above that, you have electric fences. Not that the area is dangerous, of course. It's just always nice to have that precaution when you're not inside a private subdivision. And then the moment you enter, you'll see that it's also closed dito sa portion na to. It lets in light, but it does not let in rain or leaves, apparently, since may mga dahon dyan nakapatong. Okay, from here you can see that you have a 2-vehicle carport. You also have one of the fire exits leading down here. And you have the alarm also over there. Okay, now the only thing you'll see, apart from all of the things that I mentioned, is your main door. So you have a solid wooden door with a door lock, with a numeric pad door lock. Counted ba to as a digital? Hindi, di ba? No, it's not. It's numeric. Manual pad door lock. Hello? Hello! Hi,
Julia, how's it
Charles!
going?
Okay, so this is Charles. He's one of the Presello guys.
Hello.
Teka, kailangan may maghawak ng pinto pa. For John. Okay, ayan. And before we go with the rest of the tour, anong gusto mong sabihin muna to let us have a little bit of an idea?
Well, aside from it's brand new, I really like the touches and finishes of this brand new townhouse, and it's strategically located in a very convenient place.
In Quezon City. Right. I agree. Okay, so ikot muna kami
Yeah,
sa
sure.
bahay and then I'll see you again later
As
so
you do
that
it.
we can discuss about what we think about the place.
Sure.
Okay, all right.
I'll
See you
send you
later.
ahead of the
Charles.
tour.
Yeah. Okay. So, pagpasok, first thing you see is a hallway, right? But before we go further, there is a door here on your left. This is actually your staff quarters. So you do have decent amount of space. You have a window that peers out into the 2-vehicle carport. Your breaker is here just for easy maintenance. And then this has an ensuite, toilet and bath, still with high ceiling. And your sink, your toilet, and then your shower area. Meron naman siyang vent since there's no windows around. So that's, exhaust. So that's great. Diba? High ceiling. Okay. Oops. So let's go back out the hallway. Yes, puro salamin. And then at the end of the hallway, oh, that's nice. You see your main stairs. And then under your main stairs, there's a little door. This is probably about 4 feet, no, more or less 4.5. And it's storage. So it goes all the way, think hanggang dito. So yung buong area na yan, storage. And then this one is your guest powder room. Na hindi ko alam paano may shoot dyan. So you have your sink. Actually, pedestal sink, ang ganda. And then you have your toilet over here. And I like how they placed a bunch of mirrors here to make it look visually interesting and also make it feel like it's much wider than it is while still being cozy. I love what they did with this one, especially since it's under the stairs. Okay, so that's that. And then this door leads to the receiving area, which has a toilet and bath. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. And again, the entire floor is high ceiling. So it's this one is a lovely room for you to entertain your guests, have more private conversations since it is enclosed. It does have a built-in wardrobe already, at least for this model unit. So technically, this room could turn into a bedroom with an ensuite. Perfect for the elderly, or it's perfect as a granny room, essentially. And it has access to this area. So technically, parang may pagka-outdoor area siya na vibe, but it is closed. So kahit umulan, hindi ka mababasa kasi yung upper areas sarado. But obviously, you still have natural light streaming in. So if you open the curtains here, you're still gonna have some natural light. Okay. So I don't know, comment down below what you guys would do with this room. So, as is, diba, ang ganda niyang receiving room. Pero yun, eventually, if you need a granny room, at least it's there. Okay, so now we're gonna head up the second floor, but before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. We have a 3D layout of this one, so make sure you go and check that out in our website. And if you want to check out the rest of our listings, it's also there at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Going up the stairs, I also really appreciate the handles. So baka lang siya, diba? So it's nice and clean and simple. But when you're holding it, ang ganda nung pagkagawa. Like nothing is sharp. So ito may break lang dito, but still it's nicely done. You know, ganda nung ano. Kahit na, yun nga, simpleng baka lang siya. Okay, dyan, saan tayo muna? Dun, okay. So on the second floor, you only really have these two. Hindi pala two, sorry. Mali yung sentence construction ko. You only really have this area to walk on before you reach either of the two doors. That's what I meant to say, tumalon. Okay, so over here, oh, it's so nice. Okay, so the first thing I saw was this area. So you have double doors here, smaller double doors, that lead to your service area / your laundry room. I love it. It's nice and open. You have natural light coming in from the skylight from 2 floors up. Oh, tama. That's very high ceiling. And then you would have your built-in sink over here. I love it. At least may ganitong space. Tapos nandito rin yung vent, I assume coming from the stove, from the range. Oh, and huwag natin Sarah. And then, that's so nice. Over here, you have your living, dining, and your kitchen. So it's just one open space, one big rectangular room, and then you basically see the sections you distribute the sections visually using the lights. So over here you have your kitchen, you have an L-shaped counter, you have your island counter over here, and lots of storage, as you can see. Then you have your built-ins. Tama nga, ito nga yung hood. So yung exhaust niya dun sa may service room, or service area. Okay, and then your dining is over here, as indicated by the chandelier, and then your living area over here. And then this massive wall is just an accent wall made of printed wallpaper. That's so nice. And then you have a big window over here. Sorry, nasira ba yung exposure? Meron kang door dito sa left side so that you can go out the balcony at the front of your property, and that also has access to the fire escape. Okay, high ceiling, you've got cove lighting, and then you have a blank wall over here. Now, personally, I'd probably use for art. I'd probably put some photographs in there as well. Okay, lovely area. So that makes me wonder what this is. Let's see. Okay, so it's bedroom number 1. So you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And then, ayokong umapak, wait. Ayan, so may plastic naman. And then you have this much space for the rest of the bedroom. And then some built-ins over here. Feels nice and flush, very clean room. And then I'm gonna assume, okay, meron ngang window dito. So it's just a window, there's no doors. However, you can go out the window in case of an emergency, especially since meron ngang fire escape din sa area na yan. So it's very important actually. I'm glad that they have sorry, muntik nang matisod yung isang camera natin. Okay, so I'm glad that they have multiple fire escape points. Okay, so let's head up the 3rd floor, and we only have 3 floors for this townhouse. Okay, so at the top of the main stairs, you have windows here. Actually, meron lang kasing blinds eh, but you actually have windows with natural light coming in thanks to the service area. So if you remember, diba, super high ceiling yun. So yeah, one of the windows nakita from there. Okay, over here, oh, nice wallpaper. ADHD. Over here we have bedroom number 2. So you also have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And then this much space for this particular room. I always love the wallpaper that they choose for the rooms. Iba-iba, diba? Different vibe, different feel, different personality. So nice. I don't think I need to explain why I like this one. So again, you have this much space. You have your built-ins over there, and it's flush with the window. Flush meaning flat. And this still has access, of course, to a fire escape. Nandiyan din yung mga, I was gonna say outdoor unit, no, kapag split type. So maintenance din nandyan. So again, even if it's just a window, ang laki niyang window, you can definitely go out if needed. Okay, across this hallway, we have bedroom number 3. Wow, that is a long hallway. And look at the wallpaper, it's so mesmerizing. Love geometric patterns. Okay, so before we head over to that part, we have a pocket sliding door over here that leads to your ensuite toilet and bath with your his and her sinks. Oh, this enclosed shower space is really nice. And then you have your toilet over here by this corner, right under one of the awning windows. Perfect. In fact, wala na siyang exhaust kasi meron naman ng bintana. And you have high ceiling, so you're not gonna feel like you're getting suffocated by all of the water evaporating. And then on this side, you have storage. So you have cubby holes over here, hanging rods, drawers, and then yung CCTV nandito rin. You can probably move this if you don't want it here, but you know, it's nice that it's there. Okay, so that is the ensuite, and now this, oh wow, is the bed area itself. So you actually do have a lot of space. Big enough, in fact, to fit a queen-size bed or even king-size if you're willing to lose a little bit of chair space. Ito parang ano lang siya, full-sized bed, but still, right? And then you have, again, that accent wall with a beautiful wallpaper. You have a lounge over here, just a testament to how much space you actually have. And then let's see if this has... Ayun, okay. Oh, nadyuk ako doon. This one is a standalone vertical window. It's fixed. Gusto mo yung naghahanap ako ng... Ayun, okay. So you do have a sliding, very smooth sliding glass door that leads to another balcony at the front of the property. And again, it has access to one of the fire escapes. And then yung outdoor unit ng AC mo, syempre, which is nicely hidden, by the way. Teka lang, pakita ko lang to. May ganitong exterior design di ba? Na bakal. So vertical wooden, vertical metal, parang 2x2. At natatago niya yung outdoor unit mo or yung condenser. So that's nice. At least, di ba? Hindi siya eyesore from the outside. Okay. Obviously, very well designed as a whole. Ito yung plastic kanina na muntik ng madulas. Sina John. Anyway, so that is it for the tour itself. I'm gonna meet Charles downstairs, but before that, make sure you admire these beautiful B-rolls. So numbers, first you have 259 to 264 square meters of floor area. Hi Charles! Ano ko lang yung numbers. Depending on which unit you get, so you do have several units to choose from. And yung lot area niya nasa 100 square meters. Ang galing no, for something na 100 square meters per unit, meron kang around 260 square meters of floor area. So, area, ganito ganyan. And then you have 3 bedrooms, although yung nasa ground floor, receiving area siya ngayon, pero pwede siyang gawing bedroom since it does have an ensuite, toilet and bath. And speaking of, you have 4 toilet and baths in total and 1 powder room. Tapos meron pang staff quarters with an ensuite then. And then a 2-vehicle carport. So, remind us all again kung nasaan to and why it's so convenient to be in a beautiful house like this in this location.
This is in Teachers Village, Quezon City. It's convenient because it's near big establishments like malls and hospitals and other government offices.
Actually, a lot of government offices since this is malapit siya sa circle ng Quezon City. And of course, schools like Ateneo, Miriam, and UP. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, make sure you contact Charles through this number or go to our website to check out the rest of our listings at www.presello.com. Invest in your future.
Invest with us.
Invest with Presello. We'll see you next time. Bye. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?